guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another curly hair routine video. So this is basically my updated curly hair routine. As I mentioned in my first video, I do change my routine a lot. Pretty much every time I run out of one product, I switch it up for something else. Unless it's like really good, then I just like keep using it for a couple months. But usually I do change my routine a lot, and this is pretty much, you could say, my summer curly hair routine sort of. The products that I've been using in the shower, it's a 3-step product bundle thing from OGX. It's pretty much the shampoo, conditioner, and then the cream, which I use in my styling process. The shampoo is called Restoring Plus Bonding Plex Shampoo, and the Bonding Plex conditioner. So far they've been working really good, especially the bonding cream. That so far is one of my favorites now. So yeah, those are the products that I use in the shower, and let's get into the styling process. After I'm out of the shower, I wrap my hair around a microfiber towel, or in this case a cotton shirt, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Then, since my hair is usually sort of dry by the time I'm like out of the shower and dressed and everything, I go ahead and apply some more water to make the hair damp enough and to be able to apply the product. After I feel like my hair is damp enough for the product to be applied, I start with the Restoring Plus Bonding Plex Bonding Cream as a leave-in. I apply this much, then I go ahead and distribute it all over my hair. Honestly, this product and the product that is in my last video as a leave-in, which was the Argan Oil of Morocco hair butter, those two are definitely my favorite leave-ins. They leave my hair super soft and shiny, so these are my go-tos. Then I go ahead and use this oil mix that I made. It has castor oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and olive oil. I pour a little bit on my hand and I distribute it mainly on the ends and the middle of the hair. I also use this mix as an oil treatment, mainly during the winter. I use it at least like once a week or once every 2 weeks. Then I go in with the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. I am honestly not a big fan of this product. I decided to give it a try since I see like a lot of people using it, but it's definitely not for my hair, mainly because it says it's for thick curly hair, which is definitely not my hair. Don't get me wrong, it does help define my curls a little bit more, mainly whenever I use it to refresh my curls throughout the week, but I won't be using this as much. After I get out of the shower, I go ahead and flip my hair to the front and do a little bit of scrunching. Then I use the shirt that I had on my head earlier, and I keep scrunching just to define and dry a little bit my curls. It looks really aggressive on camera, especially because it's sped up, but I promise you I am not that aggressive when I'm scrunching my hair. That is pretty much it for my updated curly hair routine. I don't really do much during the summer since I don't think my hair needs as much help as it does during the winter. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.